Hey everyone, I am Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. If you're trying to unlock your iPhone 7 so it works with any carrier worldwide, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching networks or traveling abroad, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Is your iPhone already unlocked? First, let's check if your iPhone is already unlocked. It's super easy. Go to Settings, General, About. Scroll to Carrier Lock. If you see no SIM restrictions, congrats! Your phone is already unlocked and you're good to go. Step 2. Contact your carrier. If your iPhone is locked, the best option is to contact your carrier. Here's how. Reach out to the carrier your iPhone is locked to. Request an unlock, but make sure you meet their requirements, like paying off any outstanding balance. They'll likely ask for your IMEI number. You can dial *6 or find it in Settings, General, About. After approval, they'll notify you, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Easy, right? Step 3. Software unlock. Proceed with caution. Now, if your carrier can't help, and you're running an older iOS version, there are third-party software options. But a big disclaimer, jailbreaking your phone can void your warranty and expose you to risks. If you go this route, be careful. Step 4. Third-party factory unlock services. If the carrier route didn't work, you can also look into reputable third-party services for a factory unlock. Here's what to do. Find a trustworthy service offering IMEI unlocks. Provide your iPhone's IMEI number. You'll usually get the unlock confirmation in a few days. Step 5. Insert your new SIM card. Once your iPhone is unlocked, it's time to insert a SIM from the new carrier. Power off your phone. Pop out the old SIM and insert the new one. Power it back on and follow the on-screen steps to activate the phone. You're almost done. Step 6. Restore your iPhone via iTunes if needed. Sometimes, after an unlock, your iPhone might need a quick restore. Here's how. Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes installed. Select your iPhone in iTunes, then click Restore iPhone. After restoring, your phone should be unlocked and ready for action. And that's it. By following these steps, your iPhone 7 will be unlocked and usable with any carrier, anywhere in the world. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.